The official Twitter account of Gull TV, an American TV sports channel dedicated, has been hacked to promote an XRP scam. Welcome to XRP Insider. We provide the latest news of XRP Ripple. To stay updated with exciting news, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. To know more, please watch till the end. XRP scams have become increasingly commonplace on social media. They often pose as Ripple-affiliated entities and offer victims lucrative investment opportunities that are not backed by legitimate contracts or regulatory oversight. One of the more frequent forms is the impersonation of Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse. Oftentimes, these scammers will pose as Garlinghouse and offer seemingly generous investment opportunities such as doubling one's money that prove to be too good to be true. Victims who take the bait find themselves with no recovered capital and no way to recoup their lost funds. These scams can be found on various platforms globally and are becoming harder to detect due to their continuously evolving nature. Scammers adopt new tactics each day in order to stay ahead of detection efforts from leading digital asset exchanges, law enforcement, and other regulatory authorities. These malicious actors use fake accounts, public sentiment manipulation, misrepresentation of credentials, multi-level marketing schemes, intricate phishing networks, and more sophisticated methods in perpetrating fraudulent activities targeting XRP holders. Though these tactics may seem rudimentary, unsuspecting victims can still fall prey to them, not realizing the potential repercussions until it's too late. To avoid becoming a victim of an XRP scam, it is important to verify trusted sources before investing any money and never send money to accounts that can't be verified without extensive research. The crypto community has been busy over the weekend, especially those supporting the fintech firm Ripple. Crypto law founder and XRP advocate John Deaton suggested that the judge presiding over the case could give the firm an outright win. The comments were made on January 21, using a previous case as an example. The argument revolved around the premise that the SEC did not prevent Ripple from selling XRP after its legislators reviewed its documents. Furthermore, Deaton was back on January 22, stating that he didn't see sensible crypto regulation being passed into law anytime soon. The market will continue to receive guidance only through judicial results from the SEC's regulation by enforcement policy. Industry experts are now calling for an investigation into the investigators. They're asking for a probe into the SEC for misleading Congress and markets. The digital asset investor told his followers, "This is an unprecedented case where the SEC has literally actively harmed the XRP investors they claim to protect for over 2 years." Furthermore, Ripple General Counsel Stuart Alderete also took to Twitter at the weekend to quote from a Wall Street Journal article lambasting the SEC. Late last week, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse expressed confidence that the battle will be over in the first half of 2023. When asked about a settlement, he added, "We have always said that we would love to settle, but it requires one very important thing, and that is that, on a go-forward basis, it's clear that XRP is not a security." Garlinghouse emphasized that a negative outcome for the firm will impact the entire crypto industry in the United States. XRP prices have again breached the psychological 40 cents barrier and held above it. Furthermore, it hit a 2-month high of $0.415 on January 22. At the time of press, XRP was trading at $0.406, following a gain of 18% over the past 2 weeks. The next level of resistance for XRP is just above 45 cents. However, it is still way down from its January 2018 peak price of $3.40. On Sunday, XRP fell by 0.59%. Following a 2.46% loss on Sunday, XRP ended the week up by 4.14% to $0.40076. XRP visited 41 cents for the third consecutive session. Tracking the broader crypto market, XRP rose to a late afternoon high of $0.41198. Coming up short of the first major resistance level, R1, at $0.4140, XRP slid to a late low of $0.3968. However, steering clear of the first major support level, S1, at $0.3947, XRP partially reversed the losses to end the day at $0.40076. It was a quiet Sunday session, with no updates from the ongoing SEC v. Ripple case for investors to consider. With the case now resting in the hands of Judge Torres, investors face a period of uncertainty that could extend to the end of March. Between now and any court rulings, we expect plenty of conjecture that will draw the interest of investors. However, investors remain optimistic about a favorable outcome, supporting current price levels. On Sunday, amicus curiae attorney John Deaton was in the news, saying that if XRP is a security, then the SEC's case against Ripple would not be ongoing for 2 years, and the SEC would not be facing a fair notice defense. Talking about the broader crypto market, Deaton also said, "Other than the SEC lawsuit v XRP, what has changed since Signum recommended BTC, ETH, and XRP? I still believe all three will be standing 5 years from now. The question is, what other tokens will be?" Brad Garlinghouse said 99% are likely going to zero. What's standing in 2028? John Deaton joins Brad Garlinghouse and the broader community in expecting a favorable outcome to the case. Today, SEC v Ripple chatter will continue to draw interest. However, barring an unexpected court ruling, XRP will likely track the broader crypto market throughout the day. At the time of writing, XRP was up 1.84% to $0.40812. A mixed start to the day saw XRP fall to an early low of $0.40020 before rising to a high of $0.41233. XRP briefly broke through the first major resistance level, R1, at $0.4096. XRP needs to avoid a fall through the $0.4032 pivot to retarget the first major resistance level, R1, at $0.4096 and the morning high of $0.41233. A return to 41 cents would signal a bullish session. However, the broader crypto market and SEC v Ripple chatter would need to support a breakout. In the case of another extended rally, XRP would likely test the second major resistance level, R2, at $0.4184 and resistance at 42 cents. The third major resistance level, R3, sits at $0.4335. A fall through the pivot would bring the first major support level, S1, at $0.3944 into play. However, barring another extended sell-off, XRP should avoid sub-$0.39 and the second major support level, S2, at $0.3880. The third major support level, S3, sits at $0.3728. The EMAs and the 4-hourly candlestick chart, below, sent a bullish signal. At the time of writing, XRP sat above the 50-day EMA, currently at $0.393558. The 50-day EMA pulled further away from the 200-day EMA, with the 100-day EMA widening from the 200-day EMA. The signals were bullish. A hold above S1, $0.3944, and the 50-day EMA, $0.39358, would support a breakout from R1, $0.4096, to target R2, $0.4184, and 42 cents. However, a fall through S1, $0.3944, and the 50-day EMA, $0.39358, would bring S2, $0.3880, and the 100-day EMA, $0.38238, into view. A pullback from the 50-day EMA would be a bearish signal. Ripple Chief Technology Officer and one of the architects of XRP Ledger, David Schwartz, shared fresh thoughts on the XRP supply. The blockchain figure's reflections were prompted by a discussion on the topic of cryptocurrency inflation and recent Flare Networks token, FLR, airdrop. Discussing the topic, Schwartz expressed regret that Ripple did not distribute more tokens when the XRP price was low. In his view, the influx of large numbers of tokens into the market now that the XRP price is already at 40 cents makes things much more difficult. A particular problem is also that for U.S. recipients this would be taxed on ordinary income, forcing them to sell around 50% when they receive the tokens. This is one of the reasons why the release of all tokens into the market should be done while the price is at its lowest, Schwartz summed up. Earlier, Ripple's former Director of Developer Relations, Matt Hamilton, explained how Ripple ended up with 80% of XRP's $100 billion offering in its accounts. As reported by U.Today, citing Hamilton's words, the architects of XRPL took that volume from the Open Genesis wallet and gave it to Ripple to build a commercial project based on the ecosystem. Ripple currently has 43.4 billion XRP in its accounts, according to the XRP Ledger Services portal. Johnny Deaton, the managing partner of the Deaton Law Firm and the founder of the U.S. Legal and Regulatory News for Digital Assets, Crypto Law, tweeted on the specifications of the native token of the decentralized exchange Ripple, XRP, addressing it as the first DEX. Notably, Deaton tweeted in response to the messages of the tweeters Dr. Martin Heisbeck and Matt Hamilton, who talked about XRP. In the early hours of January 2023, Heisbeck, the founder of the crypto research firm Alpine Block, tweeted questioning the objective greatness of XRP, for which he received a variety of answers. Responding to Heisbeck, Matt Hamilton, the director of developer relations at Ripple, mentioned in detail the specifications of XRP. The XRP ledger has a built-in limit order book DEX. Multi-currency payments with pathfinding across pairs. 3's deterministic finality of TXNS. Built-in tokenization of both fungible and non-fungible tokens. Track record and uptime. Widespread adoption. Soon, Deaton, responding to both the above-mentioned tweets, told that the XRP ledger, being the oldest decentralized exchange, has helped to fulfill Satoshi's vision of spending BTC as a method of payment/medium of exchange. In addition, he referred to Jay Cambo, the founder of the League of Ekim, and the payment application Spend the Bits he found, adding the link to the video released 1 year before, in which Cambo explains the functioning of the application. Significantly, Deaton addressed Cambo as a smart dude, while listing out his achievements, including his first position in a contest sponsored by Ripple for interoperability with CBDCs. We would like to make it clear that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice, and we are not requesting that you invest in any particular business. This is just a route used to deliver instructional material to your door. See you again soon on XRP Insider, the leading source for cryptocurrency news.